A truly historic moment for India and its massive vaccination drive today. India has now crossed 1 billion vaccination mark, a milestone and an unimaginable achievement as it may have appeared a few months ago. But today, India achieved this in just 257 days, 9 months to be precise, since the vaccination drive was flagged off in January. Since then, India has ramped up vaccinations at a rapid speed with an average of 11.12 crore doses one day and over 46.30 lakh doses every hour. With nearly 75% now of all Indians having at least one dose, 31% for now we are being told have received both doses. But how is this being marked? Prime Minister Narendra Modi visiting the RML hospital where he interacted with some of the healthcare workers. India's fight against COVID-19 and the mega inoculation drive, remember, has also been fueled by several record vaccinations, including the one we had, highest single-day tally of 2.5 crore shots on 17th of September. This also went on to set a world record. India, however, remember, has come a long way. Initial bottlenecks, vaccine hesitancy, apprehensions, people were in fear whether to even get this vaccination or not, logistic challenges, rumour mongering happening. The centre has batted numerous challenges along with states and citizens who came out and got themselves vaccinated.
सबसे तेज, सबसे व्यवस्थित और सबसे अच्छा वैक्सीनेशन का ये कैंपेन आज 100 करोड़ के अपने लक्ष्य को प्राप्त कर रहा है। मैं इसके लिए उन सभी लोगों को, जिन लोगों ने कोरोना मुक्त भारत की परिकल्पना को साकार करने में अपना योगदान दिया है, उन सबको इस अवसर पर बधाई देता हूं। प्रधानमंत्री मोदी जी का, सभी हेल्थ वर्कर्स का, कोरोना वॉरियर्स का हृदय से अभिनंदन करता हूं।
फ्री वैक्सीन दिलाई मोदी जी ने, और कितनी उसकी लॉजिस्टिक्स, उसके पीछे डेवलपमेंट, वैक्सीन का मैन्युफैक्चरिंग, आप सोचिए कि इसकी कल्पना कीजिए, दुनिया के जो बड़े बड़े देश हैं जिनकी हेल्थ केयर सिस्टम्स बहुत अच्छे हैं, उनसे भी बेहतर तरीके से भारत ने प्रधानमंत्री जी के नेतृत्व में देश भर में व्यापक रूप से वैक्सीनेशन किया।
हमारे देश के चिकित्सा मंत्रालय, उनके सारे कर्मचारी, देश के सारे प्रशासनिक अधिकारी और विशेष रूप से माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी के आह्वान पर देश की जनता ने एकजुट होकर के कोरोना के खिलाफ इस लड़ाई को लड़ा है।
So India has now today hit the 1 billion vaccination mark, and of course several states also contributed to it and the residents of those states. Which are the 5 states with most vaccinations as record? Uttar Pradesh leading with 12.21 crore and followed that with Maharashtra, because Uttar Pradesh, remember, at about leading with 12.21, Maharashtra at about 9.32 crores, a state that had also battled a high pandemic record that has happened, the death and devastation in Maharashtra, but now followed that by West Bengal. 6.85 crore people have been inoculated, followed by Gujarat, 6.75 crore, and eventually also Madhya Pradesh, we are being told, at about 6.7 crore rupees. Remember, one is a TMC ruled state, one has Shiv Sena, one has the BJP. This is not about political ideologies. This is about people and governments coming together as Indians to ensure all of us remain vaccinated and healthy so that we do not see the second wave repeating as the third this time. Let's go across to our reporters who were there, witnessing and observing, reporting on this historic moment. I'm joined by Mohit Sharma from RML Hospital, Delhi, where the Prime Minister visited. These are the latest visuals on your screen. We're also joined by our colleagues from Lucknow and also in Kolkata and Bengaluru. But I want to go across first to you, Mohit, because that's where the Prime Minister was. Has the Prime Minister left the RML Hospital? What precisely did he do there? Did he interact with the healthcare workers and meet any other people there? All right, we'll try and get that line back with my colleague Mohit. I want to go across to Prema Rajaram because she's in Kolkata. Prema, one of the states, Bengal, is also witnessing a high record there, and these are the visuals coming in of the Prime Minister at RML. Remember, they're flanked also by the Health Minister Mansukh Mandavia. So, Prema, what precisely was the situation there in Kolkata? What did you see? Have people now willingly decided to come out and ensure that they get vaccinated? Prema.
Well, people want to come out and take the vaccine, which is heartening, but there are some people who are still skeptical, and that is a challenge for the government to make people come out and take that vaccine. But there have been most people who've taken the first dose of vaccine, so we're looking at around 5 crore of the population that has taken the vaccine as far as the second dose is concerned, and close to 2 crore people have taken the first dose of the vaccine. The second dose remains, but for the government it is good news that right now it's close to 7 crore people in the state that have been vaccinated. The state government, of course, did have certain they did have certain war of words back and forth with the centre, but like you mentioned, it was the people that came first. It was for them to be vaccinated, and that was the main mission of the state government, which is why amidst elections and even after that with the second wave and by polls festivities, the government has been asking people to come out, be vaccinated. The vaccination centres, as far as the government run vaccination centres, also being proactive in encouraging people to come and take the vaccine. So even when we spoke to people today, they said that they were getting their vaccines quite easily. Back to you, Pooja.
So, Prema, because she was on the ground, remember, this has not been a smooth ride. Our reporters will tell you there were political roadblocks, there were face-offs, there were logistical issues, there was hesitancy, all of that. Eventually, Indians decided to come together as one. I want to go across to our other colleagues as well. We continue with these visuals there of the Prime Minister as well. Let's go across to, we have Lucknow, Delhi and also Bengaluru. Akshaya Nath is now also joining me. Akshaya, how is the situation there with you? I can see some people already behind you getting vaccinated. Politics aside, have people there in the state wanting to now get vaccinated? Have they realized the significance of it?
Well, Pooja, you have to remember that Tamil Nadu was one state where vaccine hesitancy was really high. At least for the first 2 to 3 months, we had seen very low number of people coming forward to get vaccinated. But all that has changed. Now we're seeing that Tamil Nadu has now become one of those states with people coming voluntarily to get vaccinated. Close to 67% of Tamil Nadu's population has at least got a single dose, is what we're being told currently. And we need to remember, Pooja, that I am currently standing at the DPH, which is a place where 24/7 COVID-19 vaccination is provided by the state government. And here again, we've been seeing that there are people continuously coming to get vaccinated. We're seeing healthcare providers sitting here and taking all the records done. So this kind of an arrangement has been made by the government officials. And also another thing that is interestingly there in Tamil Nadu has been the mega vaccination drive that has been going on every Sunday, and that will be happening on the 23rd as well, where again the state government is hoping to cover maximum number of people. And you need to remember, Pooja, that there was a time when the state government was complaining about how there's a shortage of vaccines provided to the state, but that too has been changed. The centre has been providing sufficient number of vaccines for the state.